Hey everybody, 140, now 5 seconds, Thursday, April 4th. This is the drawing for the Spider-Man 252. There are 2 copies. Over here are the 13 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to get the nicer of the 2 copies. Whoever comes in 13th place, last place, will get the lower grade copy. I'll try my best to ship today, worst case tomorrow. The number is 13, so I randomized 13 times. Again, whoever comes in first gets the nicer copy. Whoever comes in 13th gets the lower grade. Could be the same person for those who bought multiple spots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here comes the final one. 13, Barney Stars comes in first, and Barney Stars comes in last. Barney Stars wins both books. Number 13 came in first place, and number 11 came in 13th place. So, full sweep for Barney Stars. Time is 1:41, 12 seconds.